The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement, combining the rugged power of a classic semi-truck with the luxury and comfort of a high-end motorhome. This is the ultimate travel companion for those who want to explore the world without sacrificing style or convenience. Every detail of this masterpiece has been meticulously designed to provide an unparalleled experience for road warriors and adventurers alike. Let's start with what makes the Kenworth W900 stand out: its iconic design. The bold chrome grille and extended hood immediately catch the eye, a nod to Kenworth's heritage while embracing modern innovation. The polished exterior shines in the sunlight, and the aerodynamic updates ensure this classic-looking motorhome is as efficient as it is beautiful. Equipped with state-of-the-art LED headlights, the W900 provides excellent visibility, whether you're cruising through the city or navigating remote highways. As you approach the vehicle, it's impossible to ignore its sheer size and presence. Custom-designed storage compartments are built seamlessly into the sides, offering more than enough space for all your gear, from camping equipment to recreational toys. With advanced insulation and reinforced doors, these compartments keep your belongings safe and secure no matter the weather. Stepping inside the motorhome feels like entering a five-star hotel suite. The interior is a perfect blend of modern luxury and functional design, built to make life on the road as comfortable as possible. The spacious living area features premium leather seating that doubles as additional sleeping space when needed. The open floor plan provides plenty of room to move around, making it ideal for families, couples, or solo travelers who want to spread out and relax. At the heart of the motorhome is the kitchen, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances to rival any traditional home setup. You'll find a full-size refrigerator, a high-performance induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and even a built-in coffee maker to start your mornings right. The solid surface countertops and custom cabinetry not only look stunning, but are also built to withstand the demands of life on the road. The dining area is designed for maximum comfort and versatility, with a convertible table that can be adjusted for meals, work, or leisure activities. Large panoramic windows surround the space, flooding the interior with natural light and offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. The bedroom is a true sanctuary, featuring a king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress and high thread count linens. Overhead storage, ambient lighting, and climate control ensure you'll sleep peacefully no matter where your adventures take you. Adjacent to the bedroom is a luxurious bathroom, complete with a spacious shower, porcelain toilet, and vanity with plenty of storage. High-accent fixtures and finishes give it a spa-like feel, making it a perfect place to unwind after a long day on the road. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 W900 Motorhome is powered by a robust engine designed for performance and reliability. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising across the plains, this motorhome delivers smooth, consistent power. The advanced transmission system ensures optimal fuel efficiency and a comfortable driving experience, while the enhanced suspension absorbs every bump and dip in the road. For the driver, the cockpit is a dream come true. The high-tech dashboard is equipped with a digital display that provides real-time information about performance, navigation, and diagnostics. With plush seating, intuitive controls, and a 360-degree camera system, driving this motorhome is as enjoyable as living in it. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 W900 Motorhome. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance technology. These features give you peace of mind, knowing that you and your passengers are protected at all times. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's for those who dream of the open road, who crave adventure without compromise, and who value quality, comfort, and performance. Whether you're planning a cross-country journey or a weekend getaway, this motorhome is ready to take you there in style. Learn more and register at rallykenworth.com. Closing scene. The motorhome is parked at a picturesque campsite, with a family sitting around a campfire, enjoying the evening. The camera pans up to the stars as the video fades out. So, what do you think of the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible vehicles and adventures. Until next time, happy travels!